Hello friends, welcome to MAT. In this video, we are going to discuss about calculation of interest on drawings is come under partnership basic concepts. Now we'll see methods of calculating interest on drawings. Number 1, product method. Number 2, average period method. Number 3, direct method. In this video, I'm going to explain about product method. Let's see the product method. Product method, a formula for product method: interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. This formula we are going to use for calculating interest on drawings. Let's see the practical problems. Interest on drawings, irregular intervals under product method. There are regular intervals as well as irregular intervals. So in this question I'm going to explain about irregular intervals. Mr. Sunil, a partner in a firm, he drew the following for personal use. On 1/5/2019, rupees 2500 he drew for personal use. On 31/7/2019, rupees 1500. On 1/8/2019, rupees 3500. On 1/10/2019, rupees 2000. And on 1/2/2020 he drew 4500. So Mr. Sunil drew in irregular intervals. Calculate interest on drawings at 10% per annum under product method. The accounts are closed 31st March every year. So now we need to calculate interest on drawings of Mr. Sunil. We should make the table for calculation of interest on drawings. Date column, drawings amount column, number of months outstanding column, as well as product column. We need to make a table. In the date column as well as drawings amount column, so we should write the date as well as drawings as per the question. In the question already given the date 1/5/2019 and the amount also given 2500. Likewise 31/7/2019 1500, 1/8/2019 3500, 1/10/2019 2000, and 1/2/2020 4500. So the date and drawings already given in the question, so we should record as it is as per question. So after recording date as well as drawings amount, we need to calculate number of months outstanding for each drawings. Now we'll see how to calculate number of months outstanding. He drew on 1/5/2019. Is a month of May, he drew 2500. So from May to next year 31st March we need to calculate number of March. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, February, March. So we'll get totally 11 months. So the number of months outstanding is in 11. Next he took end of the July. So July month we should not consider. We should calculate from August. So August, September, October, November, December, Jan, February, March. The number of months outstanding is in 8 months. Next 1/8/2019. This is the beginning of August. So we should consider the month of August also. So August to 31st March 8 months. Then 1/10/2019 from October to 31st March 6 months. Then 1/2/2020 February, March, it is in 2 months. So we should calculate number of months outstanding. After calculating number of months outstanding, we need to find out the product. While calculating product, we should record the drawings amount into number of months outstanding. So the drawings amount is 2500. The outstanding number of months 11. So we'll get a total 27,500. And 1500 into 8 months outstanding 12,000, 3500 into 8 months outstanding 28,000, 2000 into 6 months outstanding 12,000, 4500 into 2 months outstanding 9,000. Then we need to total the product 27,500 plus 12,000 plus 28,000 plus 12,000 plus 9,000. We'll get a total product 28,500. After finding the total product, so we need to calculate interest on drawings. Now we'll apply the formula. Interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. This formula we need to use to calculate interest on drawings. Total product we know already, we calculated, it is an 88,500 into the rate of interest given in the question, it is an 10% per annum, so 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 equal to, will get 737.50. Now we will see regular intervals. Interest on drawings, regular intervals under product method. Now we'll see the example question. Mr. Ram, a partner in a firm, withdrew rupees 1,500 at the beginning of every month in a firm for private use. Calculate Mr. Ram's interest on drawings at 6% per annum under product method. The accounts is closed 31st March 2020. So as usual, we should make the table, date column, drawings amount, number of months outstanding and product. So Mr. Ram drew in the beginning of every month. So we should start from financial year. Financial year start from 1/4/2019. So 1/4/2019 he drew 1,500. Likewise, regularly he drew 1,500 till 1/3/2020. Now we need to calculate number of months outstanding. So he drew April 1st. From April to 31st of March, we will get total number of months 12. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, February, March. The total number of months from April to 31st of March of next year is in 12 months. Then every month beginning, so 5th month it is an 11 months outstanding, 10 months outstanding, 9 months outstanding, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So after calculating number of months outstanding, we need to calculate product as earlier how we calculated. So 1,500 is in drawings amount into number of months outstanding 12. So 1,500 into 12, 18,000. 1,500 into 11, 16,500. 1,500 into 10 months outstanding 15,000. 1,500 into 9 months outstanding 13,500. 1,500 into 8 months outstanding 12,000. 1,500 into 7 months outstanding 10,500. 1,500 into 6 month outstanding 9,000. 1,500 into 5 months outstanding 7,500. 1,500 into 4 months outstanding 6,000. 1,500 into 3 months 4,500. 1,500 into 2 months it is in 3,000. 1,500 into 1 month it is in 1,500. After multiplying drawings amount and number of months, we need to total the product. When we total, we'll get 1,17,000 as a total product. So now after calculating total product, we need to calculate interest on drawings. Interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. A total product according to table 1,17,000 into rate of interest given in the question is an 6% per annum. So 6 by 100 into 1 by 12 equal to, we will get 585 rupees is an interest on drawings of Mr. Ram. We'll see the next one. Interest on drawings. This is also regular intervals under product method, but it is an end of every month. Mr. Ramesh, a partner in a firm, withdrew rupees 2,000 at the end of every month. The previous question which I was explained, it is in beginning of every month, but in this question it is an end of every month in a firm for private use. Calculate interest on drawings at 10% per annum under product method. The accounts is closed 31st March 2020. With the help of above question, we need to calculate interest on drawings of Mr. Ramesh. So we should make a table, date, drawings amount, number of months outstanding and product. So in this question, Mr. Ramesh drew 2,000 rupees at the end of every month. So we should record date in the date column from April to 31st March, but we should record end of every month from April. So 30/4/2019 he drew 2,000. 31/5/2019 he drew 2,000. 36/2019 he drew 2,000. Likewise, till 31st March 2020, he drew 2000 rupees for his personal use. So we need to calculate interest on drawings help of this details. Now we need to calculate number of outstanding months. Mr. Ramesh drew in the end of every month. So he drew end of April. So we should not consider April because April month already over. So we should calculate from next month. So from May to 31st March we need to calculate, we'll get 11 months. Likewise, we need to calculate number of months each month. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last month is in 0 because he took 31st of March, so end of the year, so it is in 0 months. Now we need to calculate the product. So we know already very well, we need to multiply the drawings amount with number of months outstanding. So 2000 is in drawings amount, the number of months outstanding is in 11. So once we multiply, we'll get 22,000, and 2000 into 10 we will get 20,000. So likewise, we should multiply amount of drawings into number of months outstanding, and after multiplying we need to total this product amount. So when we total 22,000 plus 20,000 plus 18,000 plus 16,000, likewise we need to total the 12 months product. We'll get the total product is in 1,32,000. Now we need to calculate interest on drawings. So interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. The total product according to table 1,32,000. So 1,32,000 into 10 by 100 because rate of interest given in the question 10%. So 10 by 100 into 1 by 12 equal to, we'll get 1,100 rupees is an interest on drawings. Next we'll see if the partner drew a middle of every month, how to calculate interest on drawings. Mr. Shiva, a partner in a firm, withdrew rupees 3,000 at the middle of every month in a firm for private use. Calculate Shiva's interest on drawings at 5% per annum under product method. The account is closed 31st March 2020. Same way we need to make a table, but when we record the date, we should take 15/4/2019. As usual, we need to start from April, but 15th of April we need to start because he drew middle of every month. So 15/4/2019 he took 3,000. 15/5/2019 he took 3,000. 15/6/2019 he took 3,000. Likewise, every month middle he drew the amount for his personal use till March 2020. And we need to calculate number of months outstanding. In the month of April it is in half month. From May it is in full month. So from May to March we will get 11 months, and April half month, so we'll get 11.5. So likewise we need to calculate number of months outstanding. So we will get 10.5, 9.5, 8.5, 7.5, 6.5, 5.5, 4.5. So likewise it will end with 0.5 in the last month because March he took 15th, right? Every month 15th he is taking. So 15th of March, the next 15 days you need to pay the interest. So 0.5 months. Then we need to calculate the product. Drawings amount into number of months outstanding we need to multiply. So 3,000 is in drawings amount and the outstanding months is in 11.5. So we'll get 34,500, and 3,000 into the outstanding months 10.5 will get 31,500. So likewise drawings amount into we need to multiply with number of months outstanding. Then we will get the product of each month. Then we need to total the product. When we total, we'll get 2,16,000 rupees as a total product. Now we need to calculate interest on drawings. So interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12 as usual. So 2,16,000 is in total product, and rate of interest according to question it is in 5%. So 5 divided by 100 into 1 by 12. We will get 900 is an interest on drawings. Now we will see if the partner drew beginning of every quarter, how we need to calculate interest on drawings. So before going through the question, first we'll see the working note. If the partner drew beginning of every quarter, so we should use these dates. So the first quarter begin 1/4/2019, and the second quarter begins 1/7/2019. Third quarter begins 1/10/2019, and the fourth quarter begins 1/1/2020. 2020. So every 3 months once a quarter begins, and if it is end of the quarter, 36 2019 is end of first quarter, and 39 2019 is an end of second quarter, 31 12 2019 is an end of third quarter, and 31 3 2020 is an the last quarter as fourth quarter. So if it is quarterly, if it is the beginning of every quarter, we should use this beginning dates, and if it is end of every quarter, we should use this dates. Now we'll see A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. A drew rupees 3,250 at the beginning of every quarter. Calculate interest on drawings at 12% per annum under product method. Accounts are closed at 31st March 2020. So as usual, we should make the table and we should record the dates. When we record the date, we should record beginning of every quarter. So according to working note, already I explained the same date we need to record here. So 1/4/2019 he drew 3,250. Then after 3 months again he drew in the beginning of second quarter 1/7/2019 3,250. In the third quarter also the same, and even the fourth quarter he drew 3,250. Now we need to calculate number of months outstanding. So he drew in the first quarter beginning 1/4/2019. So from April to 31st March total number of months is in 12 months. From 1/7/2019 we'll get total number of months till 31st March 9, and from 1/10/2000 till 31st March of next year we'll get 6 months. Likewise we'll get 3 months from Jan to March. Then we need to calculate a product. So already we know very well drawings amount into number of months outstanding. Drawings amount is on 3,250. Number of months outstanding is on 12. We'll get 3,250 into 12, 39,000. 3,250 into 9 will get 29,250. 3,250 into 6 is a 19,500, and 3,250 into 3 will get 9,750. And we should total the product. When we total, we'll get 97,500 rupees is a total product. Now we need to calculate interest on drawings. Interest on drawings equal to total product into rate of interest into 1/12. This formula we know already. So 97,500 is in product into 12% is an interest according to question. 12 divided by 100 into 1/12 will get 975 rupees is in a total interest of Mr. A. Hope you understood this concept of interest on drawings. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.